Hey everybody, Eric here with Spartan Auto Works. Today we are working on an '08 Mercedes S550. This is a super common problem. If you have a head unit or navigation unit, whatever you want to call it, that keeps constantly rebooting over and over and over. Simple fix. You need to get yourself some fiber optic loops like so off Amazon. Right there, like 10 bucks. First thing you need to check is this particular module right here. You're going to pull it out and loop it. Hangs up right like so, right there, something like that. This should be the voice module. You're going to unplug it, put in your loop, and that should fix all your problems. This is super common on this body style Mercedes-Benz. So you just have to get yourself a replacement, or you could leave the loop in there and you will be good to go. But if it keeps restarting, one of the codes you'll get is like an insufficient voltage code, usually only in the radio. If you get that code, unplug it, loop it, and that should fix your problem. To loop it, you will have to unplug the wires out of this connector right here. It's real simple. Take your fiber optic out by pushing this tab, pull the wires out, put in your loop. Have a great day.